Namaste friends. Today we shall see how to make a very healthy sweet dish made out of black gram, also called as urad dal. I like to call this recipe as healthy gulab jamuns, but my daughter gets extremely annoyed when I say this. She just compares it with the regular gulab jamun, but yeah, it won't be like the regular gulab jamuns, but quite tasty and healthy. Black gram dal is highly nourishing, extremely beneficial for our bones, muscles, and nervous system. The fibers present in them form as the prebiotics for the beneficial bacteria in our gut. And also, the other ingredients like the jaggery and coconut are highly nourishing, rich in polyphenols, healthy fats, and so overall, it's a great recipe to enjoy, especially in this winter season. The ingredients required for this recipe are whole or splitted black gram urad dal. Even the white urad dal can also be used. Jaggery, cardamom powder, water to soak, and groundnut oil to deep fry them. First, soak the whole black gram urad dal in water for one whole day. And if you're staying in a hot place, it might just take 5 to 6 hours. Just make sure that they have completely become soft. Then rinse them well with fresh water. Grind them fine by adding very little water each time using the pulse option in the mixie jar. The consistency should come out thick and fluffy like this. Then we take jaggery and mix that with the ground batter. The proportion would be 1 part of urad dal and quarter part of jaggery. Even powdered form of jaggery can also be used. Just be very cautious because very soon the batter will turn runny. So just before you fry, mix the jaggery and see to the consistency that it doesn't become very thin batter. Next, just add the cardamom powder and fresh coconut powder as per your taste. Mix the batter well, and now we should be able to make nice round balls out of it. Take an iron frying pan, add oils like groundnut oil or coconut oil for frying. Though the balls don't appear to be exactly round in shape as we pour the batter into the oil, but eventually as we fry them, they get into round shape. We can also pour the batter using a spoon if you're not comfortable using hand. We can also make sweet paniyarams out of this batter. Or we can add all the spices like cumin, ginger, curry leaves, green chilies, onions, etc. as per your taste and liking instead of jaggery and make them into spicy, tasty, healthy vadas as well. Next, once these sweet balls are ready, put them in a thin hot jaggery syrup. The syrup doesn't have to be one string or two string. Allow them to soak well in the jaggery syrup and enjoy these healthy gulab jamuns. Thank you.